In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Airtable. We're going to walk through a simple, guided way to get a working customer relationship management system up and running using Airtable's built-in AI assistant called Omni. By the end, you'll have a basic CRM that you can start using right away, and you'll know how to customize it further for your own workflow. First, open your Airtable dashboard and make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this from any modern browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see your existing bases and workspaces. This is your starting point for creating your new CRM app. Next, look for the Create button. This is usually near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on Create. This tells Airtable you want to start something new rather than editing an existing base. From the options that appear, choose Build Your Own App. Instead of using a pre-made template, this option gives you more control and lets Omni help you design a CRM tailored to your needs, rather than forcing your process into a generic structure. Now you'll see the Omni Chat interface. This is Airtable's AI helper. In the Omni Chat box, type the phrase, "Build a CRM for me." You don't need to be overly specific at this stage. Omni will generate questions to understand what kind of CRM you're looking for, such as what information you want to track or how you plan to use it. Press the Enter key to send your prompt. Omni will start thinking and then come back with follow-up questions. Take a moment to read each question carefully. These questions guide the structure of your tables, fields, and relationships. Click on the answers or type in your responses to the questions Omni asks. For example, you might indicate that you want to track contacts, companies, deals, or interactions. Be as clear as you can, because your answers shape the layout of the CRM Airtable builds for you. When you're done answering, click Enter again to submit your final responses. Omni will then generate your CRM table or set of tables based on everything you provided. Once your table is built out, you have two options for refining it. You can return to the OmniChat and prompt it with additional changes you'd like, such as adding new fields, renaming columns, or creating linked tables. Or you can make edits manually directly in the table, like adjusting field types, reordering columns, and adding sample records. Use whichever method feels more comfortable and keep iterating until your CRM matches the way you actually work.